SAT, MC, and PHSER. Are you aware of this, or you meant something else?
I mean, we are talking about entire punch list, and
Exactly.
and we have agreed that there is no category priority A, all priority C is there. So no concern.
Exactly.
No concern. Yeah.
So,
no concern.
because later on, you mentioned something about PHSER punch items. Explicitly.
PHSER we have made separately. That is why I was not taking the same point. We have made it separate.
But
that's okay.
Can we make it master punch points? That master punch point list.
Yeah. You are right.
It is master, by the way.
This is a master. Actually, the total punch point is mentioned. So you can mention in downside also refer master punch point register.
Where I should put?
Downside you can mention that refer master punch point register. Yes. Total priority C, and after that you can mention that one. Master punch point register.
So what is the number?
And the first line